How to become a seller on Temu. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Temu. So over here, what you need to do is to make sure that you have already created your Temu account. Once the Temu account has been created, now you can go back and head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. Let me move into the Safari. In the search bar, you need to search for Pinduoduo sign up. This interface will appear. Head over to the very first site. It will lead you to this page. Click on this language icon at the bottom left corner. And then click on Translate to English. In this page, what you want to do is firstly enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number, set the password for your account. You will receive one verification code in a number. You need to copy that number and then paste it here. Once you have entered, click on register. Your account will be created successfully. Once you have that account, you will be able to sell any of the product in Temu. Then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can become a seller on Temu. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.